Hello, hello, welcome back to Red Ted Art. Today we have these super cute and super simple paper mouse puppets. Let's take a look and see how they're made. So you're going to need your white piece of paper, something to trace. It's going to be a bit bigger than this, but I'm going to use that anyway. A glue, scissors and some pens for decorating. So for my mice, I actually tried these out. This is a bit too small, so I'm just going to use it as a guide. So, and then I'll measure it out and then I'll give you the dimensions so you know what size circle to cut. Obviously cut towards the edge of the paper so you can save on paper and use it for other projects. And also we'll use some of the scraps for the mice details. So that circle is, let's see, it's about 17 centimeters in diameter. So find something that size-ish. It's really not that accurate. Cut it out. Save these, you're going to use them. Fold it in half. Fold it in half again. Open up. And now you have that nice quadrant. Cut each one out. So, and that now will be enough for 4 paper mice. So I think that looks quite good. So that'll make 4. Keep one. Take your glue stick, add glue to one edge. And basically roll it up. Actually, I'm going to roll it this way. There we go. Doesn't have to be super neat, just roll it and you have your basic shape. Now back to those scrap bits of paper, it's time to decorate. So I'm going to make a tail. You don't have to make a tail, but I think it's a nice little addition. So there's a little strip for the tail. If you want, you can make it kind of go to a point, but it doesn't matter. You're going to need 2 ears, so I'm going to cut out 2 teardrops. Again, it doesn't matter exactly how big you draw it, how big they are. Each mouse will be different. And then if you want, you can also cut out some whiskers. But again, it's just a question of preference. I'm going to cut 2 really thin strips. So those will be my whiskers, which I'm going to trim. Keep that for the other mice. I'm going to curl the tail a little bit. Doesn't have to be super curly, it can be longer, it can be shorter. Add a little bit of glue. Add a little bit of colour to the mouse's ear. Then fold back. Glue. And then find a position that you think looks cute for your mouse. So it can be further back, give it a nice long face, it can be further forward. Give it a cute little face, can have big ears, small ears, totally up to you. Then take your red pen, because I'm going to give each mouse a different coloured nose. This one's going to have one to match its ears. Black pen. And then if you wish, those whiskers. Add a bit of glue. Stuck to my fingers now. There you go. That's how simple it is to make a paper mouse puppet. Let's have a look at them all together. Aren't they adorable? So here's our mouse again with its little friends. We've got our little red, green, yellow and blue finger puppet. They're so cute, they're so easy, super quick to make, really fun. So yeah, I hope you like them. If you do, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Above all, keep watching, keep making, and we'd love to see you here again soon. Take care. Bye.